You going?
Yes.
All right.
Oh my gosh, I can barely
Take off.
reach the pedals.
Yeah. All right. Once you hit it. In gear would be good.
So this is the turn right here, right?
No,
No?
that is not the turn.
So it's after the after this volunteer
Yeah.
office.
Yeah, because that'd be going through the compound. So it's this road
next
up
one,
here where you kind of see it.
A lot of old bluebird buses over there. It's pretty cool. Look at the grass. It's so green.
Oh, I know. It's amazing how green it is. All right, so it's this turn right here where it says RRV.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm going to take it way wider than what you would do.
That's okay. Whatever works.
Do I need to put it in four-wheel drive?
No.
Oh my gosh, look at the tips. Oh, I already see some things I want to come back and take pictures of. So that's wash number 1.
That's right. And this one's not too bad, actually.
You don't think
it looks
so?
worse than it is.
It's looking pretty bad to me. Wash number 2.
Yeah, so we got to go through, what is it, 2, 3 washes?
3 washes.
Yeah.
Oh, Voyager just tooted.
Oh, I know. It's the first of several, and the dust getting kicked up. So enjoy the clean rig.
Yeah.
While we
to get
had
the duster out.
Yeah, because
Okay.
it will not remain clean.
I guess this is
And this
wash
is an
here.
easy wash right here.
Is this even a wash?
Yeah, it's kind of a wash, right?
Kind of. I think it's turn right. Wash number 3.
So is that wash number 3?
Well, I guess so, because
Or do we go down to the next one and make a right? I think we go down to the next one.
yeah. Look at this guy's panels. Holy
Oh man,
smokes.
he is set up. No
Nice.
kidding. Yeah, that's a lot of solar right there.
Mm-hmm. And all his panels are above his air conditioners. So
Oh, yeah.
it's nice that he's not 13.6 like we are, so he can do that.
Yes, exactly. Well, maybe this wasn't the right one.
Do you want me to call Steve?
This is not the right one.
Well, we can go right here.
Yeah. Now it's a hard right.
Will I make it if I take it way wide?
Yes.
Or do you want to go find him real quick with the drone?
Yeah, I think I will. But let me get you making a right here, so go do that.
Are we sure we need to turn right?
Oh, yes. We definitely need to turn right here. There is no doubt.
Oh my gosh, look at all these big rocks. Oh. I saw a thing on Facebook one time that if you get some really big rocks stuck between your tires, you can air your tire down.
Mm-hmm. You're going to cut this little wash thing pretty decent.
I feel like we're just joyriding.
We are.
So those that guy over there is saying over here. He's
Yep.
waving to us. Oh yeah, there's the HDTs down here.
Yeah.
We went over one too many.
Yes.
Oh, we know
That's
this
okay.
guy, but I can't remember his name.
I can't either. God, you don't have any of the air on. Jeez, no wonder I'm burning up over here.
Just out for a drive?
Oh, we are just joyriding, seeing what we can find. Wash is so green.
Oh, I know. Man, it's just, I mean, it is lush. I mean, it really is. So you're doing a good job of not kicking up dust because he's almost able to keep up with us.
Oh, hush. I'm kicking up dust. He needs to slow down so he'll stay out of our dust.
Yeah, really.
So I think this is where Sue's going to be at in this little
Yeah, I think so
compound
too,
here.
where they, the other rally is.
Yeah. Oh, he's got a tent up now.
Oh, yeah, they do it up right, I tell you.
Is that a miniature golf course right there? I think it is.
I think it is too. It's hilarious. Yeah, that is funny. They got, I guess it's next week, maybe they're going to do that. Mm-hmm. This compound over here to the left.
Yeah.
That's just neat. It's just neat how everyone kind of does their
I love
thing
it.
here. It's cool.
All right, well, there's Neil and those guys. I see Steve up ahead. So, where Sweet Travels is, that's a great spot because he's facing due south and he's got his panels tilted. His little itty
Yes.
bitty panels.
Yes.
And he's by a wash, so that's ideally. So, I'm going to go that way and then come back around.
So I'm kind of buzzing the compound right now.
Looking to see.
Yeah, and
We've got the welcoming committee.
oh yeah. So there is a spot on the other side, kind of where we were last
Yeah,
time.
that's where Steve said that John Noakes was.
Yeah, and that's next to another HDT. So I think that's where we're going to probably end up. So do you want to have your door facing that same way?
Well, I'd like the front door to be facing into the compound. Or I guess it doesn't matter. We just back in. Is that Neil right there walking this way? He looks like he doesn't have his shirt on.
Yeah. So you could make a, yeah, here you go. Looks good.
Oh, there's Steve.
Yeah. And
that
so
mean?
we'll go around and then we'll come at it from the other way.
I guess more slow.
And then you're going to make a kind of a left through here.
What, over by the firestorm over there?
Yeah.
On Saturday.
I know. We had to throw everyone off and be incognito, you know?
Yeah, you're not incognito.
We found that out. All right. I think we're going to go park over there.
Over there on the.
What's that sign? There's a sign.
That's the spot.
What's that?
Hey, if you're going to fly the drone ahead of you, why did you miss your turn?
Because I was getting us,
Because-
it wasn't the scouting drone.
Because he's
It was the
navigating.
filming drone.
He's navigating, that's why.
As soon as you went straight, immediately we said, Dave's flying the drone and he's in the passenger seat. Sandra's listening to
Somebody offered.
Oh, I know, but that was much more interesting because I got more footage.
Oh,
See?
it. No, I'm sure it was interesting, all right.
that was a little tight back there.
It's a little
Yes,
tight
it
back there.
is.
Yes, it is.
'Cause I almost took somebody back there, but I was leading in the side by side, so it's like, wait a minute, right here, and I went around and said, no, we want to turn around and come back around.
Yeah. All right. Well, we got to get parked because I'm at like 47%.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
So, are these guys over here, their nose is facing north, right?
The north is about that way.
Yeah.
Neil's a little more east than north.
Which way is Neil's door facing? West? Is Neil's door facing east?
He's facing north.
No, his door.
His door.
Oh, his door is facing southeast.
Okay. So I think we need to be parallel with these guys.
With who, guys?
Flags are flying almost due north right now.
Okay. Okay, well, that's good to know.
Close.
All right.
Oh, okay. All right.
Hey, get around. Where's that
Okay. So we want to just be over there by that
Well,
black one, or?
So the spot's open kind of right there. Well, on the other side of that one right there.
Which one? Jester?
I don't know what the name is.
Oh, I can't see. Where do you want me to go?
Well, I don't know. Where'd you like to be?
Well, I don't know. I can't really see. So Steve's right over there with Jester. And then that's...
All right, so if you go to this next turn here and make a left, then that could put us into position to be against the wash, facing the door, facing back this way to the north, if that's what you want to do.
well, I thought we said we were going to have the door face east. I don't care.
Oh, okay. Well, we can do east too.
But I think we need to be parallel with these guys.
Okay, we can do that. So make a left right here.
And there's Rhodey. And there's a black pearl.
Yeah.
Actually, well,
So this is the spot right here if we want to be kind of parallel with these guys.
oh, okay. So
Going
back
this
into
way.
this spot
Back
here.
in, yeah.
Okay.
So that's what I
Okay.
was looking at. So whereas there
Yeah, we want to be parallel
will
with these
be
guys.
will be this way.
So which way do you want me to go?
Well,
I'll
then
turn left and then
we'll-
back in this way.
We'll turn left and then we'll back in. You know, do you want me? I got to land the drone. I'm at
Yeah.
32%.
Okay, why don't
so.
you do that?
All right. So are you going to back it in?
Well, I was going to let you land the drone. Yeah, I'll let you back it in.
Huh?
I'll let you back it in.